This face is an outcropping of really what the whole body's doing. So sort of grow the expression from the inside out. I want the work and the figures and the expression and the gesture and everything to really hold a spirit, to really be a convincing condensation of a human experience. Dismay is it's a sort of hopeless. The eyebrows kind of come up. Teeth are sort of on edge. Eyes get big and like an animal, wild animal. You can totally see when someone's bored. You can smell it. It's like, he has this chin way up and put a pie right in that face. I'm in trouble. It's just, what? Yeah, this is really a cool one. It becomes, beats me. This is clueless. Clueless quandary. I think I'm really good at that.